We're gonna keep this one really nice and easy. If you struggle with eyeshadow and you struggle with smoky eye, you're gonna wanna watch this video and you're gonna wanna subscribe to this channel because I teach you how to do super easy makeup and break down exactly how to do it, why you should do it, and if it's gonna work for your particular face shape, eye shape, all those other fun things. If you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Be sure to like this video if you want to see more eyeshadow tutorials for beginners broken down step by step. We're doing a 2-shade smoky eye. This is going to be super beginner friendly. We're going to use a bunch of cheater tools to help you to be able to perfect that perfect eyeshadow shape, especially if you're wanting that cat eye. This is not your traditional black smoky eye. This is the beginner's guide to getting comfortable with doing smoky eyes so that you could eventually do a full-on black smoky eye. I think a lot of people have this misconception that a smoky eye has to be black all over the eyelids, but it does not. And if you really want to take this eyeshadow look to the next level, you can add a really nice full set of lashes. You always want to make sure that your makeup is balanced out. If you're wearing a really bold eyeshadow and no mascara, it's not going to look right. If you're wearing bold lashes and no eyeshadow, that's not gonna look right either. So always making sure that you balance everything out is going to help you get the most symmetrical, cohesive look. We could definitely talk more about whenever I do launch my master class on how to master your makeup for your face. Hopefully gonna come really soon. If you are wanting to learn this super simple, beginner-friendly, smoky eye with 2 shades, be sure to check out all the details down below in the description box. I have links to all the products that I used, as well as different ways that you can connect with me as well, including Instagram, which is where I am the most active. I post on there every single day and share so much different things. I'm actually running a really awesome giveaway right now if you're watching this in June. Let's go ahead and jump. On freshly primed eyes, we're going to take this satin shimmer black eyeshadow and we are going to go ahead and use a shadow shield to create the perfect angle for our cat eye. We're going to stamp this color on first in an angle and then blend it into the crease to add some depth and dimension. You want to keep on building this eyeshadow up until you get the intensity that you want, and using a denser brush is going to give you the best color payoff for this look. Then I go in with a smaller brush because the smaller and more dense the brush is, the more defined you're going to get, and I'm going to just use this to define my eyeliner shape a little bit more and also drag that down my lower lash line. Then I'm just building that up a little bit more once I remove the shadow shield, and using this beautiful shimmer shade all over our eyelid, I'm just going to use my finger to go ahead and stamp that all over the lid for the best color payoff. Once I finish that, I'm going to use the shape that we created with a black liquid liner. This is going to be the best guide if you struggle with eyeliner so that you can create the perfect cat eye. And I always like to do this with my eye open so that I can see the shape that I am creating. I'll close my eyes for my actual lash line and then open my eyes back up just to double check everything, and then I'm going to apply some of that satin eyeshadow on my lid to go ahead and blend in the eyeliner a little bit more into the eyeshadow so that it's not so harsh and less defined. And then I'm just going to go ahead and build up the black one more time. That's one thing whenever you're using a black, you can always build up, so start with less and then add more. And then we're just going to blend off the edges to make sure that it is looking nice and smooth and seamless. Finish off with your brows to go ahead and create balance. I personally like doing brows after a bold eye. And then your favorite mascara, I like using a more volumizing one whenever I do something a little bit more heavy on the eyes. And once you've done that, our makeup look is complete. Details are down below for this eyeshadow look. Let me know if you would recreate this, and also let me know what eyeshadow combinations you would like to see a tutorial on next, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.